truly tunnel coming up on our first morning of rain. Que chante sous un ciel tissé d'antennes, la radio des bricoleurs dans les corons, la radio des bricoleurs dans les corons. Shipwreck. What do you call them? The butty and the...
This nearer boat is the butty. That means it didn't have an engine. It was towed by the motorboat, which is at the back there. There's no particular option for you and him to live anywhere in the next 6 months, is there?
Beautiful boat with flowers on, and we are doing narrow locks now, so I'd better drive. So this is Lapworth, flight of narrow locks.
On kittens, brown paper packages tied up with ribbons.
The most beautiful cauliflower cheese ever.
Yes, I would. If I only could, I surely would. Away, I'd rather sail away like a swan that's here and gone. So and I can I put 5s as well, or only 6s?
Needs to be more like...
Needs to bounce. If you want the bounce sound, yeah, to resonate more with a bounce, because otherwise it damps it the moment after it's...
The boat is arriving, or is it just mooring?
I think it's moored.
Okay.
I kiss my girl, I kiss my girl.
Hard against. That's right, even that will do it. Small movements in good time is the best way of driving.
Friendly people.
Inside.
This is one of the best cheeses that we have, I think. It's called Shropshire Blue. Now, Stilton is a very famous cheese. You might have heard of it.
I mean, some like Thursday, Friday, Saturdays, Sundays, like sometimes flat time. I'll say it should be built up a minute gradually.